Hello guys, welcome back. This morning I'm simply going to show you what I'm having for breakfast. It's a simple dish which you can prepare. I'm going to be showing you how to make palm oil pepper sauce. It's very simple. So for this I'll be using some smoked mackerel, bell peppers, tomatoes, scotch bonnet. I'm using 2 tomatoes, the rest are bell peppers, crayfish, 1 medium onion, ginger, garlic, 2 stock cubes, and palm oil, which is going to serve as the base. So because I'm going to be serving this over some fried yam chips, so I have the yam which I have peeled, sliced, and I've seasoned it with a little salt. So I'm going to start by frying the yam. So to fry the yam, I'm going to add enough oil into a pan, just enough to fry the yam. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add in the yam slices. The yam I'm using changes color just because I didn't keep it in water long enough, so it changes color. While we are waiting for the yam to get fried, I'm going to bring the bell peppers into a manual blender, then blend this. I'm using the manual blender because I want it as chunky as possible. I actually got the pepper frozen before now. Here is pepper. We are done blending, and I've also crushed garlic and ginger and also chopped onions. I'm doing this so we can be as quick as possible. Once the yam are properly fried, I'm going to remove them from the oil. And quickly turn out the oil. Into the same pan, I'm going to add about 1 cup of palm oil. Once the oil has melted and has become hot, I'm going to start adding the ginger and garlic. I'll also add in the chopped onions. This is beginning to smell nice. I'm now going to add in the blended pepper. Quickly stir this. Then place the lid over it to cook for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to season this with a sprinkle of salt, 2 stock cubes, and a tablespoon of ground crayfish. Quickly stir this to incorporate. Add the smoked fish if you are using that. Cover and cook for 3 more minutes. Now you have this ready. Guys, I love to have this with some fried yam. Fried plantain or boiled yam are also good for this pepper sauce. You can simply have it with whatever you want. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in another episode. Bye.